Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking the Unisilver off and laying it flat so adjustments are steady. First, identify the crown and any mode button. This is where controls live. Press the mode button or pull the crown one click to enter time setting mode. You want the digits or second hand to indicate adjustment mode. Once done, pause and make sure the watch is not in alarm or chronograph mode. If it is, cycle modes until you see the main time display ready to change. Next, you'll adjust hours and minutes precisely because wrong AM or PM breaks date changes. Rotate the crown to move the hour hand. Verify a 24-hour check by advancing past 12 to confirm AM versus PM. Then set minutes, pausing to align seconds to 0 for accurate timekeeping. If your Unisilver has a separate date position, pull the crown to that second notch and advance the date slowly. Avoid changing date between 9 PM and 3 AM to protect the movement. To finish, press the crown completely back in and, if applicable, screw it down to seal the case. This secures settings and preserves water resistance. Sync the watch to a reliable time source and observe for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm it's running correctly. If the hands don't move or the crown feels stuck, try gently cleaning around the crown, wiggle while pulling, or consider a fresh battery. These steps resolve most common failures and keep your Unisilver reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.